I'm just about to do a photo shoot of my latest recipe, a favourite childhood jam. Stay tuned. Hey folks, I'm Azlin Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysianrecipes.com. Today's recipe is called kaya, which in Malay means rich. It is a rich coconut jam made with coconut milk and eggs and flavoured with pandan leaves and sweetened with white sugar or palm sugar or a combination of both, the way I like to do it. We use it as you would any jam with bread and butter, but we also bake with it, much like you'd bake with, say, lemon curd or jam. You add it to cakes and stuff. So, kaya, coconut jam. Traditionally, it's a rather painstaking process. We use a double boiler. It takes a bit of an effort, a bit of time, and perhaps if you're nervous, you might jinx it and it may not turn out. Not really. But my method, the recipe that I've been using for a long time, is a much shorter version, a cheese kaya, if you will, but tastes just as rich and just as delicious. Let's get to it. So there you have it. Easy, right? And when you spread it on your bread, be generous. Be very generous. So, taste test. So good. Rich, creamy, just like a traditionally made kaya, but much shorter and less effort. Once you've made it, keep it in the fridge for up to a week. So when I make it, I tend to make it just about a jar or 2 jars of this, unless I'm making it for friends. If you think you're going to go through it very quickly, make more. Just double up, triple on the recipe. You are absolutely going to love it. If you don't have access to pandan leaves, skip them and just use palm sugar or brown sugar if you can't get palm sugar, or gula melaka is what I really use. To read up more about the ingredients and, substitutions, if you can't get this, can't get that, head on over to my blog. The link is right up there. If you're wondering what's on this table, well, these are soft-boiled eggs. Very, very traditional breakfast in Singapore and Malaysia. What we would order at kopitiams, which are food stalls. And this is Kopi Gu You, butter coffee. That's a lump of butter at the top there. So there you have it. Homemade kaya. It may be quicker, it may be easier, but it tastes exactly the same as a traditionally made one. I shall catch you guys real soon.